Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. So in this video, I'm going to share the updates on the Minswap. So the Minswap, I participate in their the farming, the liquidity farming, and I think I shared my experience. I get a lot of Min token. But today, just 13 hours ago, they sent in their Twitter account saying their DEX is still on the maintenance mode. So they basically detect an issue. I don't know what kind of issue it is. They didn't tell about that. Obviously, they should keep that, of course. If they release that, maybe someone else can exploit their website. So if it's just an issue they find it by themselves, I'm happy about that. So it's not by exploit. Otherwise, we will be in danger. So I have been able to see some DEX like the tiny man in Algo. They are getting exploited, and I have the experience. It feels terrible. So hopefully the Minswap, their issue is not that big, but they do say they will come back in around 24 hours. And so I guess there's another like 12 hours. I need to wait and see if they give an update. They also extend the NFT boost for the pair for another 2 days, which would be good. I would be happy to take that. Of course, it may not be that good for those who didn't have the NFT. So I do participate, and in my previous video, I share how I participated into those the LBE. So I have the NFT, and it's close to 200 boost the rate, so which is very good. So now they have the maintenance mode. I can check their website. They said it's under maintenance. I don't know whether I can still do withdraw anything. Probably not, but I guess you should just leave it there. Maybe wait for additional announcement. Because I'm afraid, for example, if I withdraw them, and if that is successful, I will get my LP. However, if their website is still under maintenance, I may lose all of the actual Min token, the reward, and also I cannot get the Min and the ADA from the LP. So I'm just worried if that's the case. So I'm not going to withdraw, do anything. And I probably will just leave it for some longer time. Definitely, I will utilize this booster rate. This is, I think as far as I know, this is the best now in the Cardano ecosystem. So this is like I just share some more of my personal experience. I think I have tried the DEX in different chain, from the Algo, the Tiny Man, to the now SundaSwap, Minswap. So Cardano, basically the SundaSwap, Minswap. SundaSwap is too slow. I tried that. I made a video. The Minswap is better than SundaSwap, but hopefully this kind of a maintenance issue is not going to happen often. You know, like under the decentralized world, I hope everything like is decentralized and should be running without any kind of centralized intervention. Like the Minswap, if it can be fully decentralized, then we should never see this kind of website under maintenance. And so for this the DEX, the only type of DEX I never see any issue is in the Polkadot. So I participated in their Arcana, and also the Parallel Finance. They have their DEX released recently. The swap and everything is working. I didn't see any issue, and it's pretty fast as well. So Cardano, I think that technically I feel the Polkadot is probably better than the Cardano. Of course, if I just say that would be just my personal feeling. It's not like really the case, because I haven't started like to do all the detailed analysis, but it's just my feeling while I try different DEX. I didn't see any issue in Polkadot yet, but I do get kind of the issue of like quite slow in Cardano. In Algorand, I think it's fast as well, but their DEX has that exploit. So the tiny man, and I forgot if they ever compensate to the knots, but probably they will. So this is again like something like I feel it's good. I should share the experience, and I will of course will try more. So if there are some more like interesting app or interesting dApp or define or whatever, so I would be happy to try that and share my experience. And so if you are new to this channel, this is Web3 Education and Investment. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.